Hello, let's quickly set up Node.js. It could be the current version or the LTS version, which means long-term support. So what would we do? Like we would install it in Windows and we will also install it in Linux. So this page that you see, the link is in the description below. This is for Windows and this is the shortcut. I'll give it to you to install it on Linux. There are many other places, but this will be the
Hey,
fastest, trust
that's
me.
pretty
So
good.
let's start with Linux. So I have it installed already, but once you come to this page, just scroll down to using Ubuntu Node.js 22 and all you have to do is copy paste. So I do this.
Nice.
This is Ubuntu. And then the next line, I already have it. So you will all see like this is already there. But I'll just do and show you how I'm copying and pasting all easily without any effort.
Yeah, boy.
Right. It will take some time and now you're done. Okay, now go to the next command to get installed on JS, which I also have. So it will be quick. And the important part, how do I verify that it is there? Just write node-v. If you see a version, then it's there. And you should also be able to see npm. And that's the green light that node is installed. Now the next one, there could be other systems. All commands are there. Just copy paste. This is really the easy way for any non-Windows system. Now for Windows, it's the traditional download. So I'm downloading the current one, but you can, of course, it is always good to download the LTS one. As you see, the LTS would be 20, but it's fine. Like, I mean, it totally depends. And you would eventually, after years, have to change your LTS anyway. So it's fine. So this is the traditional installation I'm doing. And no, thank you. I don't need those tools. Just wait for it to finish. Meanwhile, if you want to have VS Code and everything installed actually, and this WSL setup that I did here, there's the other video I made. It's quite easy and it is really going to be really helpful as well. So especially because I'm running multiple programming languages in a Linux environment, which is really nice. So you can have a look at that. All right, our installation is finished. Now, how do we verify on Windows that it's there? I mean, you can literally see Node, but let's do it the old-fashioned way. Go to CMD and then write the same thing, Node. See? And then write the same thing again. It should show you. All right, that's how you install it. So I'll just quickly show you the way to create a quick repo. So suppose in Linux you want to start your project, just write npm init initiate and y. And why did I write the y? It's because it will ask you a lot of questions. If you want to avoid that and have the default one, this is the way. So if I do ls now, I can see that there is like the setup, the package log.json, the package.json. So tester.js is actually the file.